Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Xiaomo here for Alpha Crown Entertainment. Today we shall be talking about the basics of Premiere Pro. So without wasting much time, let's get to work. So I'll start by launching my Premiere Pro. Okay, so when Premiere Pro loads up, this window appears which allows you to create a new project here. So you just click here. Now this other window that has appeared allows you to create a name for your project. So you're going to write the name of your project here. You just say, let's give this one Learning Premiere Pro. Good. So you come under here, will also allows you where you want to store your file, the location where you want your file to be stored, where your project to be stored. So if you browse, you click on browse, you select any folder that you want to store your project, that you want to save your project in it. Okay, so when you select it, you select folder and you come and click on OK. Good. So when this panel opens, this is where we start working. So this is a project panel where, as you can see, it's saying that you import your media to start working. So this is where you're going to start importing your media. This is a project panel where you import your footage. This is a timeline. When we import your footage, this is where you'll be working with. So when you import your footage, this screen here is going to display that footage. When you click on the footage, it's going to display here, allowing you to do other functions with it. So this other screen this way, this position is going to allow you to see whatever is on the timeline here. So let me just talk about the tools that we are going to start using. So we are going to start using the selection tools, the razor tool, the pen tool, the hand tool, and the type tool. So with these tools, instead of just clicking before, if you don't want to just click on them to select them, with the selection tool you can just press V and you go to the selection tool. With the razor tool you can just press C and you go to the razor tool, and with the pen tool you can just press P, you go to the pen tool. With the hand tool you press H, you go to the hand tool. The type tool you just press T. So with the selection tool, now when you are here, all you need to do for the beginning, let's just say you want to import your media, you want to import the stuff that you want to work with, be it in fact a video, pictures, whatsoever. This is what you're going to import. Or you can click here on file and then you come down here, you see import, and you're going to import your whatsoever that you want to work with. Good. So let me just double click here and I will import the file. I said my file is in desktop. Okay, so you can see decide to import this folder. So you can import the folder and then you will come here so for you to start working with. But now let me say I want to select a particular video. If you want to select a particular video in that folder, so you need to open the folder, you go into the folder, you select that video, and then you take import files. Good. So you see these are the files I've imported on my project panel. So if I double click here, it's going to display here. This project is going this file is going to display on the screen. So at this screen now, you'll see that there are a lot of things that you need to do, that is telling you on what to do. Now if you click here, at this point this icon allows you to mark a start of the video, where you want the video to start, because you will not want to like carry everything and drop on the timeline. So you may want to start on a particular place, from a particular place. So you click on this icon here, which will mark you in. Let's say you want to start here. Let's say this is where I want to start. I can click here, or I click I on my key, or I press I on my keyboard to mark in. This is where I want the video to start. So when I go forward, I select the portion that I want. Okay, so I want it to end there, so I'll click on this other one here, this other icon here, which say mark out. I click there, or I press O on my keyboard, which marks out. So this is a portion that I'm going to import on my timeline here to start working with. Now there are other options how to import this footage. You can import only the video by clicking on this icon here. If you click on this icon, drag it and drop on your timeline, you are dragging only the video. Okay, so when you drag it and drop it, you see that only the video has been dragged. Now you may want to drag only the audio. You may want only the audio of this footage, so you just click on this other icon here, this one. So you click on this icon, drag it and drop on your timeline under the audio under the audio track. So now what if you want to drag the audio and the video at once? You just click on this screen here, click and drag it and drop on your timeline. You see that the audio and the video has been dragged together and deposited down here on the timeline. So there we go. So at this point now, let's just say we want to use the razor tool. The razor tool, as I said, it helps you to cut your video into different portions. You may want to like cut and insert a different video on the same project. So you will use the razor tool, which you can press C, or you click on the tool here, and then you come here you click on. Okay, let's say you did something that you want to undo it. Let's just say, for example, you carry the clip and drop it here, and remember, you carry the clip and you drop it here, and you say no, I want to like undo what I did. All you need to do is just go to edit here, you click on edit, you take undo, you will undo that what you did, or you just press your Control or Command Z and it will undo it for you. Okay, let's say you want to separate this audio. Let's say you want to separate the video from the audio. You want them to be individual clips. So all you need to do is just right click on this footage, you right click on it, and then you go to unlink. Unlink is going to separate this audio from this video from this audio, which allow you can move the audio around, the video around, and while the audio still stays where it was. Another thing you should know is, if you want to duplicate any footage, all you need to do is just go to your keyboard and press the Alt key, and then you press the Alt key and hold, and then you drag your clip, the footage that you want, and place it wherever you want. So okay, beautiful people, if you have any worries, just leave a comment in the link below and I'm going to get back to you. Yeah, if you love the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, so whenever we drop a new tutorial you will be notified, man. So at this point I'm going to leave it in your hands until we meet again for the next tutorial, which I'll be showing you how to edit the video, how to apply some effects, some simple effects, at the beginning, just a lot of them. So don't miss our next lesson.